Last Tuesday, I sat inside my car staring at my bank balance, realizing something strange about how I react. I noticed I wasn't checking how much money existed. I was checking how the number made me feel. That moment made me realize wealth is less about numbers and more about conversations happening quietly inside. The questions you ask yourself shape every financial decision long before money ever moves in your life. Most people believe wealth starts with investments, side hustles, or clever financial strategies that promise faster income growth. But real financial behavior begins inside subtle mental patterns, running quietly beneath awareness, shaping every choice. These invisible thought loops influence spending, saving, investing, and risk decisions more than most people ever notice. Many people struggle financially, not because knowledge is missing, but because mindset quietly sabotages their actions. You probably already know saving matters, investing matters, and compound growth matters for building financial stability. Yet knowing something and actually applying it in real life are two completely different experiences. Between knowledge and action exists a hidden space filled with beliefs, assumptions, emotions, and internal narratives. Those beliefs often originate from childhood family habits, cultural expectations, and early experiences surrounding money. Without realizing it, many adults still operate using financial stories they inherited years earlier. Let me show a simple example revealing how subtle thinking patterns shape financial outcomes. Two employees receive the same bonus, yet interpret that money opportunity in completely different ways. One person views the bonus as reward, while the other sees capital for future growth. That small difference in framing compounds over time, shaping behavior opportunities and financial direction. People who build wealth often imagine future regret before making emotional spending decisions. They mentally travel forward, asking how tomorrow will judge the choices made today. Most people instead react only to emotions they feel in the present moment. Stress, boredom, and uncertainty easily push people toward purchases that solve nothing long-term. Wealth builders, however, develop sensitivity toward opportunities hiding inside small, everyday financial decisions. They search for small margins, hidden efficiencies, and tiny improvements within daily habits. Over time, those tiny improvements quietly transform entire financial trajectories and opportunities. Eventually, money stress becomes less about income and more about relationship with uncertainty. Financially secure individuals accept uncertainty and focus on building resilience across multiple areas. They prepare themselves for many possible futures rather than demanding perfect predictions. This mindset transforms money decisions from reactive emotional behavior into calm, strategic action. Changing these patterns begins by observing your thoughts and questioning old beliefs. Small thoughts repeated consistently compound into entirely different habits and ultimately a completely different financial life. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.